In our first two plugin tutorials, we covered creating and editing the 4 plugin types and using co-promoted content. And for this, our last plugin video, I will guide you through creating and customizing website plugins using categories. Let's start in our WhatsUp 24/7 dashboard. Click Plugins from the menu on the left. Select the option to create a plugin. Let's start with our plugin name. For this example, I want to create a directory with the sole purpose of showcasing all the great places to get a bite to eat or meet up with friends for a drink. So I'm going to name this Community Food and Drink. Here, I'm adding the URL where this plugin will be embedded. Remember that this helps with support down the line if needed. For this example, select Directory as the plugin type. But note that you could apply this same concept, a list curated by category, to any of our plugins. I want to include content from both co-promoted organizations as well as organizations from selected zip codes. Then I will add all my county zip codes. In previous plugin examples, we have left this categories field blank so as to include them all. But this time, we want to drill down the content in this plugin. So let's scroll through this category list and find the ones that make sense for this example. Categories like bars and lounges, breweries, wineries and distilleries, coffee shops and bakeries, and restaurants. Let's continue down the page and preview this plugin. This looks amazing. What an easy way to get a list of food and drink to present to our community. Of course, don't forget to click Create Plugin, then copy the code and send it to your web developer. Okay, let's create one more plugin. Let's call this one Health and Fitness. I will paste my embed URL here. I will use the directory option for plugin type. Now select the information to include. I'm doing both co-promoted organizations and organizations from selected zip codes. Zip codes I want included go here. Now let's look through these category lists to find ones that fit our goal. I'm looking for categories like fitness, healthcare, and I could even include personal care, which would be spas and salons. Let's see how this health and fitness directory is looking. Wow, in a matter of minutes, I have a curated directory of hospitals, clinics, dentists, spas, and fitness-related organizations. This gives crucial information to current residents and those that may be looking to relocate here. Now, I will make sure to click Create Plugin and copy and send that code to our web developer or IT professional so they can embed this plugin on our website. Thanks for joining us as we wrap up our plugin videos. As always, if you need extra help, send us an email at support@whatsup247.com.